Hi there, I'm Rob, and I recently gave in to the fad of talking to my computer, but started hitting the limits of the free tools and thought, well, I can build one of those. And so introducing Dictator. What I'd like to do today is just give you a quick overview of what it does and how you can work with it. Normally, it's just a menu bar app. It just sits up here, a little icon. And then whenever you're in an application, this is just text edit, you press the function key to start typing, and it's listening to you there. You can see the heads up display, shows you the listening device. So in this case, it's my Yeti microphone. And then you can press tab to change modes. These modes you can build in the settings screen, but comes with quick and write by default. Write will pass it through a secondary LLM step. So it's a little slower, but if you've said a lot of things, it can really improve the formatting of those. But if we're just saying something quick, I can switch it to the quick mode here, and then it will just hit as soon as I release the function key. But it'll also run it through a pass that will capture fire emoji, rocket emoji. It'll turn those into their relevant emojis, and it will pick up things like if I say 33% or let's meet at 4 p.m. tomorrow. All those will get correctly inserted into the text. There you go, nice and quick. Oh, look at that, it's got a typo in there. That's interesting. Maybe this would be a good opportunity to show you assistant mode. So if I select some text and press a different hotkey, in this case, the option button, or the right option, there's a spelling mistake in this text. Can you review all this text for spelling mistakes and fix them, please? Let's see what this does. Takes a little while because we're using an on-device LLM. There you go, it's fixed it. Now that might be why sometimes you want to do it through that secondary pass. But that costs absolutely nothing to do. That's all running on your device, nice and secure, and no one can see what you're doing. You do also get a history, so I can go through, I can see this conversation. If I click it, it pops up. I can see what we inputted there and the message. I can also copy that response again. You can see the recent things that I've said to it. Some of them are not that valuable, but you know that's what happens when you're recording videos. This is the settings screen. You can see here's the modes. I've added a messages mode where I've turned off all the additional passes. But what I have got is specific apps. So if I'm writing a message in WhatsApp or Signal, it just turns off the secondary slow passes, so it's super quick to write responses and way faster than typing. You know, I am a pretty good typer, but still can't keep up with the speed of this. You can also go in and if you do want to have, say, assistant mode, you can add specific instructions under there as well. You could also choose the models for transcription. I recommend the Parakeet models, V2 if you're only ever going to do English. If you're going to do some French, V3 or other languages, V3 is a better choice. There's Whisper on there as well, and for formatting I'm using the best one I can. I'm fortunate I've got enough RAM on here, but there is also the Apple Foundation model, so if you have Apple Intelligence installed, it'll just use the device model that's already on there. So yeah, that's Dictator. Download it, have a play, and let me know what you think. Thank you.